It can all change in a second. One impulsive choice, one moment of distraction, and everything is different. These Dashcam stories uncover the harsh reality of how speed, carelessness, and overconfidence can turn any trip into a disaster. Even the slightest misstep can lead to life-altering consequences. Number 1. Speed doesn't bend curves. In the first clip, sunlight cut through the windshield. Mike Johnson's concrete mixer roared down Interstate 45 in Houston, Texas. Just one more delivery. The drum hummed, the engine growled. The curve ahead tightened, but he didn't slow down. The truck's weight shifted, tires screeched, then lost grip. Metal groaned as the massive vehicle tipped. In an instant, it flipped onto its side, slamming into the asphalt. Dust filled the air. The red taillight pulsed like a fading heartbeat. Mike's face hit the shattered window, pain exploding through him. The acrid smell of fuel burned his nose. Gritting his teeth, he crawled out, chest heaving. He stared at the wreck, concrete spilling onto the road, glass glinting in the sun. Too fast, he muttered, tasting blood. Too late. Speed didn't bend curves, it broke them. And now, so was his truck. Number 2, too late to stop. In the second clip, Alex Chen sped down Sunset Boulevard in Los Angeles, weaving between cars. He loved the thrill, the quick maneuvers. The road was tight, but he felt in control. Suddenly, without warning, the black sedan ahead slowed down to turn. No signal, no time. Alex slammed the brakes, but it was useless. Bang! Glass shattered. His car crumpled into the sedan, pushing it forward. Other cars swerved, narrowly avoiding the wreck. Alex sat frozen, his hands shaking. His heart pounded as he stared at the crushed front of his car. No signal, no time to react. Speed gives you confidence, but not control. Always leave space, stay alert, and never trust the road to be predictable. Number 3. Trusting the green. In the third clip, Lily's playlist thumped as she sped through downtown Miami, rushing to her friend's bridal brunch. The light had already turned green. Without hesitation, she accelerated. Out of nowhere, a black car darted from the left, running a red light. It was following another vehicle, and even though Lily saw it coming, she didn't stop. There was no time, no space to react. Lily's car crumpled into the side of the black sedan, her airbag blasting against her chest. The world spun as her car was shoved sideways, tires screeching in protest. Everything seemed to slow down for a heartbeat before the chaos of twisted metal and broken glass settled around her. Lily sat frozen, disoriented, as the wreckage surrounded her. The green light had given her confidence, but it didn't guarantee safety. In that instant, caution was the one thing she lacked. Number 4. The unexpected crossroad. In the fourth clip, after a week of field visits, Junpei Tanaka was eager to return home. The road through the suburbs of Asheville, North Carolina, felt calming, lined with houses and trees. The sun was low, casting a soft glow on the world around him. Unexpectedly, a white sedan appeared from a crossroad, speeding through the intersection. Junpei swerved, but the impact was unavoidable. His car struck the sedan's side with full force. The world seemed to freeze for a moment. Junpei's pulse raced. The other driver's eyes were wide with shock, their hands gripping the wheel. Isn't this a straightforward situation that could have been prevented? Patience is all it takes. A crossroad isn't just a place, it's a decision. Number 5. The mirage of motion. In the fifth clip, Jian's car inched forward on the I-405 in Orange County, California, the red taillights ahead, glowing like distant embers. The highway was alive, a symphony of shifting beams and restless engines. Ahead to his right lane, a white car edged forward, its tires drifting slightly into his lane. Behind it, a black sedan, driven by a young woman, fell for the illusion. She saw the white car move and assumed traffic was clearing. Without checking her surroundings or waiting for a clear signal, she pressed the accelerator. The harsh reality set in. The traffic ahead hadn't budged. Metal crunched as her sedan collided with the rear of the black car, which had already stopped in front of her. Debris scattered like shards of glass. A wheel cover popped loose, spinning on the asphalt before rolling slowly into the next lane. Gian exhaled, his grip tightening on the wheel. The scene was a stark reminder. Never trust movement alone. Confirm with signals, lights, and certainty. Perception is a fragile guide on the road. Number 6. A second's shatter. In the 6th clip, Portland, Oregon streets shimmered under the soft morning light as Ryu drove through the green signal, the city waking around him. The road ahead was tranquil, a white car moving steadily in his lane. The intersection approached, quiet and unremarkable, until chaos erupted. From the left, a black sedan surged forward, defying the red light. The white car's driver had no time to react. Metal clashed with a deafening crash, the impact hurling the white car sideways. Tires screeched, smoke rising as it skidded onto the pavement, smashing through barriers with a thunderous crunch before finally stopping. The black sedan sat lifeless in the intersection, its reckless speed silenced. Just one driver's impatience, one reckless moment, and the fragile peace of the morning shattered. The city's rhythm resumed, but the echo of the crash lingered, a sharp warning of the speed at which chaos can break out. Number 7. The unseen danger. In the 7th clip, at a quiet intersection in Cleveland, Ohio, Kiran sat behind the wheel of his silver sedan, waiting for the red light to turn green. A black car was positioned ahead of him on the left side, also waiting for the signal to change. The traffic on the main road moved swiftly, cars speeding past with their green lights. Suddenly, from the right, a massive container truck appeared, its sheer size blocking out the sky. Your eyes would widen too, wouldn't they? Without warning, the truck's enormous front corner clipped the white car traveling ahead, sending it careening toward the left. In a desperate attempt to regain control, the white car veered sharply, smashing into the median barrier. The collision sent the white car spinning into the opposite traffic flow, directly into the path of an oncoming gray sedan. The crash was inevitable, a horrible twist of fate that turned the once peaceful intersection into a scene of devastation. Number 8. The price of trust. In the last clip, the road was silent, the highway stretching endlessly under the morning sun. Arjun's car moved steadily through Interstate 80 in Nevada, the absence of traffic making the drive almost effortless. Ahead, an intersection approached, the signal glowing green, promising a clear path forward. From the left, a black sedan appeared, racing toward the red light. Arjun noticed it but didn't react. He thought surely the driver would stop. But in a split second, reality shattered that belief. The black sedan blazed through the intersection, and before Arjun could even hit the brakes, a deafening crash shook the air. His car slammed into the sedan's right side with full force, the impact twisting metal and sending both vehicles skidding violently across the road. The stillness of the highway was replaced by the wail of crumpled steel. These dash cam stories reveal a powerful truth. One small mistake can change everything. Speed, distractions, and overconfidence can turn any drive into a disaster. Whether it's taking a tight curve, missing a signal, or facing a sudden intersection, every moment behind the wheel counts. Trusting the road or your assumptions can lead to devastating consequences. If these stories made you rethink your driving, hit like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with your thoughts or experiences. Stay alert and make responsible choices.